Welcome to TractIQ. How can I quickly analyze and run a demographic report on an area of interest? Our shortcut feature makes it easy to drop in an address, run a radius analysis, and create a demographic report in minutes. So let's get started. Our dashboard has an area analysis feature front and center. So just type in your address. We'll start with 804 West 29th Street, Austin, Texas. The address pops up in the prompt, click the address, and we're taken directly into the mapping platform. Now if you collapse the radius menu on the upper left, you'll see that the map defaults to population density, and you're currently looking at the geography by census tract. Expand the below menu, and you'll return to the radius analysis menu. In this left menu box, the default settings are shown as 1, 3, and 5 mile circular radius. You can easily change those settings to the desired distances up to 3 different areas. And you can also create a custom distance up to 20 miles. You can also change the circular radius to drive time, walking, or cycling. And in this menu, you also have the option to save to My Places, which allows you to save this address to this drop-down menu for addresses that you frequent. As you hover over the map, you'll see the population density for the census tracts that you've hovered over. You'll also see the 3 rings of the circular radius and these beige bubbles. These represent the housing starts in the area. They're segmented by size of construction project, which is indicated in the map legend on the lower right-hand side. As you can see, they are distinguished between small, medium, and large. You can click on each of these individually to show them or hide them. You can also do the same for the housing starts as a whole. So now that you have a sense of the current population density and incoming construction of the area, let's run a demographic report. Click Create Report, and you'll quickly choose from any of 6 curated reports. Today we're going to look at the demographic report. You can also include a comparison of your radius, of your 1, 3, and 5 mile radius to the zip code, the local MSA, the county, and the state. And for today's purposes, we'll just use the zip code and the MSA to compare as upper geographies of our radius analysis. So simply click Create Report, and you'll get a new window with a full demographic report on the 1, 3, 5 mile radius compared to the local zip code and the city data. As you can see here, each column represents 1, 3, 5 mile radius, the zip code comparisons, and the local MSA. The demographic report includes population and household data, along with growth projections to 2026. Variables around income, housing, employment, and transportation travel to work are also included. You can download this report as an Excel file, or as a CSV, or a PDF. You can also share this report by clicking here and copying the link in a Word document or email, and the recipient will be able to see the same report that you're looking at without need of a TractIQ login or subscription. They won't be able to manipulate the data, but they will see the report as you see it. You can also save this report into your archives by clicking Save As. I simply put in the address, indicate that it's a demographic report, and in the description I put 1, 3, 5 mile radius plus zip code and MSA comparisons. Click Save. From your map, you can do the same thing. You can save as, you can save the map by including the address and the descriptors you choose. When you save this map, you will also have the report and the map saved into your archives. To access those archives, you return to the dashboard. At any point in the map or the report, this logo on the upper left corner will take you back to the dashboard at any point. You also have these open windows. Go to My Projects, and there is the map. You'll simply click on the map, and the map that you created will be instantly accessible. Go back to My Projects, under Reports, and there is your demographic report. And that's how to run a radius analysis and create a demographic report in TractIQ. Thank you so much.